reflection. 1 year has gone by. Uh, yeah, Valentine's Day is a few days away. I bought the car over a year ago, just before Valentine's Day for myself, just out of timing. Um, what did it cost me for the year with this car? This is the 2016 Porsche 911. It's the model 991.1, naturally aspirated, class 6, 3.8 liter. I don't think how much I paid for the car matters, because you pay for the car what you pay for the car. I bought it at a dealership, paid tax. I insure the car, but I insure the car as full coverage, and it's not my daily driver. I have a little Mercedes SUV that I drive around as my daily. These two cars are both, all of them on the same plan. So that matters. What did it cost me to run the car? Now, gas you put into every car, so I guess we don't care about that. You know, this is going to be a short video, unless I think of something more creative. Because I drove it less than 10,000 miles. I only did one service, which is one oil change, which is $500, which we just talked about in my previous video. So this year it's oil change. Next year to be an oil change and a brake flush, but I might do that myself because I've become friends with the guy up the street who has the thing to flushes out everything with the little vacuum thing, sucks it out. So I might just do that. I know that when the car gets more miles, I'll have to put new tires on it. Tires are kind of expensive. But the first year of ownership, dirt cheap, man, $500. Costs you more to own a Toyota. So that's the good news. I am going to do a video coming up soon about the black car on what it cost to get it sorted out. I have two thoughts with that because there's how much it was just to get it running, and there's how much I spent on the tools, because I didn't have any tools when I first started this endeavor. I was empty slate, maybe a few little sockets, but I had to get new sockets, new wrenches, new extensions, new metric stuff, new torque stuff, new everything for this car, and jacks and jack stands and all that. So that's gonna be another video. But back to the white car. First year ownership, $492 in maintenance. That's pretty easy. $492. No one cares how much I spent on gas. I washed the car myself for the most part. I took it to the car wash once or twice. But then it's just a waste of time because by the time I drive there, and they do like a half wash, so you got to dry it yourself, and it's just. And I had some creepy person come and talk to me once. I never went back again. So never thought anything of it. But yeah, $500 for the first year. Second year will probably be another $500. Third year will probably be more because I'm probably be due to change the air filters because they'll probably have 15,000 miles on it. And the next year, tires will probably be worn in the back, 2 new tires. So maybe on the third year of ownership, it'll cost more. But the first year is $500. Next year will probably be $500. Third year will probably be $1,500 to $2,000 because there'll be tires involved in the cabin air filter, which is easy. But they charge a lot of money to do the air filter because on these 991s, you have to take the whole bumper off. Yeah, now I could do it myself, but as I said in another video, if I decide not to keep this car and decide to sell it while it's still like super cherry and all that, worth a lot of money, whoever buys it would appreciate that every service was done at the dealership. Now if I trade it in on another Porsche, the dealer doesn't care. They're just like, oh, the car's clean and it's good and we're going to do our own little service on it regardless. But if I sell it to a private party, try and maximize the amount of money in return, but it's all good. I'm surprisingly these tires hold up because, it's a Porsche, you drive with zippity zip and it's good. That's it, really. So, until next week. Aloha.